Welcome to today's podcast, where we're discussing the AI-powered training revolution happening in North Carolina's advanced manufacturing sectors. EON Reality is launching a transformative initiative that uses spatial AI and XR technology to upskill thousands of North Carolinians for high-demand careers in pharmaceutical manufacturing and clean energy EV sectors. With major investments like Merck's 1B vaccine facility and VinFast's 2B EV plant, EON Reality's platform is bridging the critical skills gap in these high-tech industries.
That's right. The EON Reality Spatial AI and XR platform is designed to tackle the specific training challenges in these complex sectors. For example, EON Reality's platform helps train pharmaceutical workers on GMP compliance, aseptic techniques, and bioreactor operations, all through immersive XR simulations. This technology gives workers hands-on experience in a safe virtual environment, making it possible to practice high-risk procedures without any physical danger.
Exactly. And for the clean energy EV sector, the platform provides interactive simulations for training workers on battery assembly, high-voltage safety, and robotics. With AI-powered personalized learning, students can learn 4x faster, allowing them to gain practical skills and ready-to-deploy capabilities in record time.
And let's not forget the industry partnerships. EON Reality has teamed up with state agencies, educational institutions, and key industry players like Merck and VinFast to ensure that training is tailored to meet the exact needs of the pharmaceutical and EV sectors. This partnership ensures quick integration of the platform and real-time training updates that align with industry standards.
The EON Reality Spatial AI and XR initiative is transforming the way we think about workforce development. By empowering North Carolinians with the AI skills and practical knowledge they need to thrive in future industries, EON Reality is paving the way for a technologically advanced and globally competitive workforce. Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.